There's our neighbours from Beach.
Yeah.
We're going to get some water. We're at the Hinchcliffe Information Centre at Ingham. So Russell was just saying this is where you get your bags from. They grow all different coloured bags up here at Tully.
Yeah, I never knew that's how they got it. Grows pretty well.
Russell's found a little store, bananas for sale. So now we've got to carry bananas. We've carried a whole pumpkin. He loves that stuff. Yahoo! You got to buy from a roadside stall.
Yeah.
You haven't done that since Tassie.
That lady's going back for another bag.
They're nice looking nannies too.
Yeah, there's no green ones there.
Oh well. So good morning. Good morning, Arch.
Morning.
We're what day is it? Thursday.
Yep.
We just spent our first night at the Babinda Rotary Club. I'm having big troubles with the DJI camera, and I think it's just the heat and the humidity up here. At the moment, no, it's working fine. So yeah, we had a pleasant night. We got all our jobs done yesterday. We got the new stabilizer leg, and we got some dog food for Maggie, and we did some groceries and another brace knob for the awning because we still got that one that's jammed. But so we're just going into Babinda. I'll just turn around and show you. And there's a laundromat there, so we're just gonna get the sheets and stuff washed. And
By a hacksaw blade.
Whoop. So this keeps cutting out with no warning. Yeah, so the little village of Babinda is wonderful. It's got everything: a spa, a bakery, a hotel. I also did see a hardware, he said. There's automotive 4x4 over there.
I might park here.
Bakery, laundromat.
What do you reckon?
Yeah. So where we're staying is 72 hours donation camp. What we're discovering is really fills up in the afternoons, these camps, and then it seems to clear in the morning. So we'll go do our jobs. Just having a walk down the main street, Babinda, while we wait for our laundry. Oh, that humidity's a killer, isn't it? If you move too fast. Yeah. Picture theatre, really? Wow, didn't see that coming. Wow. Nice wee park.
Yeah.
It's cool in the shade. There's a sign there saying palm tree seeds or something, removal is prohibited.
Yeah, right.
Yeah. So we just picked up some eggs from the butchers in at Babinda. $13, which seems to be the norm these days. I was just saying to Russell, you wouldn't want to have eggs and bacon or scrambled eggs every morning, would you? So we're just cooking on top of the tailgate tonight. Chicken snitty and some red Desiree potatoes. And she's been very busy with stabiliser and bracing knob on awning. And now he's made up a rod for his amber lights for while he's cooking.
Cook light.
It says cook light.
Cook light.
Cook light. Bloody awesome.
And hopefully you'll keep all the little buggers away.
Yeah, they haven't been too bad tonight.
No, not too bad.
We don't have split nannies for them.
No,
God, I should have taken a photo of that.
Bananas.
Yeah.
Killed them. Leave them outside, she said.
Well, they would have been inside. They
couldn't get in.
They were inside. That's why we put them out. It is lovely, isn't it? It does. How do you stabilise your caravan? But we do have a new one. So the river's just through there. And that's the new stabiliser I grabbed yesterday. And all fixed. New knob. Got rid of the old thing. Wasn't a normal one. It was a different one. Yeah, it runs really quick. Good morning, guys. We're going back to our favourite Jayco spare parts place. But I just sort of wanted to show you the mountains with the clouds on the top of them. Just gorgeous. Morning, Arch.
Good morning.
Just amazing. It's like you're in another country.
It is, really.
Yeah, so
Australia is so big.
it is. Yeah, so it's Friday. It's been 4 weeks today. High five, 4 weeks. And where do I start? So we're going back to Jayco at Cairns or Edmonstone or whatever it's called. The inside door handle was broken this morning. Russell's glued it, but you can see it's still fairly loose, and the last thing we want to do is go out in the middle of bum and not being able to get out of our van. So, and then we were sort of gonna move off, but we're going back down because one very slow. Going very slow, isn't he? So just wanted to give a big shout out to Danny while we were walking to Babinda railway station. He stopped the car and stopped and said g'day and follows our channel. So we were really stoked. Thanks, Danny. So the handle Russell glued up this morning hasn't held.
Nah.
So we did the right thing running up to Jayco Cairns again.
Just sitting quite firmly though, wasn't it?
Yeah, to get the for $64.95 handle. Oh, did it come with all the new bits there too?
Just that bottom bit.
Okay. Yes. No dogs.
Bugger.
No bees.
And that's why we didn't know it was here.
Yeah.
There's probably no dogs up there at Scenic.
I don't know. I might go to the loo while I'm here
Yeah,
though.
I'll take her back.
Alright. What a shame.
Yeah.
So, we couldn't quite go to the Boulders as we get our dog out at the car park and see a big sign, no dogs. Okay, so what a pity. That was such a beautiful area.
Yeah, lovely.
Anyway.
I suppose we could always drop Doggo back at the caravan and come back up.
Yeah, Double Barrel Creek, beautiful creek. That one not so much. The other one was flowing nicely.
Yeah.
Okay, look for trains. This is how we look for trains. And only one way, by the way. You have not done that once. Unbelievable.
This is how you cross the railway line. It says give way.
You lying hound. Oh dear. Good morning. Morning, Arch.
Good morning.
It's 8:30 and we have just left Babinda, Rotary Park. Lovely spot. Had a couple of overcast, drizzly days, but nothing too serious. We managed to not lose too much power. We managed the 12-volt system quite alright.
Yeah.
Probably if we had bigger, we've got a 200 amp hour in the van and 200 watt solar panel on the roof, and then we've got the iTech World 200 watt, and we've also got another solar blanket, the black one. So all in all, we're still able to make a coffee this morning, so we're happy. We're heading back to Ingham, as I said yesterday. We're going to go out west, but we're going to go back down this way so I can have a dental appointment on Monday. They were kind enough to squeeze me in.
Up there.
Yeah. So we just popped in to have a look at Bramston Beach. There's a caravan park. Oh, there's a little village of houses there. It was 18 k's off the Bruce Highway. Oh, lovely. Oh, wow. That's our type of caravan park.
Yeah. What's wrong with that?
Nothing.
Wow.
So apparently, according to Wikicamps, there's 11 powered sites and the rest are unpowered. Unpowered for a week is $168.
How cheap's that?
28 for unpowered, 37 for powered, according to Wikicamps. But so
$160 for a week, or it's pretty good, isn't it?
it is.
Yeah.
So that was what, 6k south of Babinda.
Yeah.
And the caretakers have great reviews. It's run by the Cairns Regional Council. Gorgeous painting. We need to learn to slow down and take the time to look around at these places. We'll get there.
Got the stinger thing there.
Oh, they have too.
Judd got fishing up on those rocks there.
What a lovely beach.
Yeah.
Down would just pop out to some of these little beach areas. So we're going to have a look at Hole's Head at Tully Heads. And we'll be turning right shortly.
Right onto Niblett Street.
$23 a night. Maximum stay 4 nights. Caretaker on site.
So how much is it?
$23 a night. Did you want to stop it and have a look?
Just park here?
Yeah, I think so. Okay, so we've arrived at Hull Heads and we've decided to stay the night.
Those islands.
I know.
Yeah.
They're everywhere.
Yeah. Got to go for it.
Good morning. Morning, Arch.
Well, it's sort of really mid-morning, isn't it? It's
Well,
not morning.
It's 9:15.
Nearly morning tea time.
We've been on the road for 45 minutes. I was still in my jammies and the stabilisers were being lifted up. But anyway, we're here. We've only got 45 k's to go to our destination. Back to Ingham for my dental appointment tomorrow. Anywho, yeah, beautiful day. Just thoroughly enjoying the scenery around here.
So good mid-morning. Yeah, because when she went like this, I didn't look like sitting on there.
I'm expecting a great big field, open field. Okay.
The wetlands is actually down there.
Yeah, so we've got to stay on this side with the doggo.
Yeah.
Oh, it's a heavy chain. Where we're gonna go? We're expecting a great big parklands. Anywho, I don't know why you can't drive over the chain, it's as heavy as all shit. Anyway. $15 a night, got to be self-contained, so we can't have shower here. Got our toilet, but you can go to the pool for $3. I'll let you use a shower. This is beautiful. Anyway, we're booked for 2 nights. Go and see the dentist tomorrow. Hopefully get all that sorted, and then we can get our stuff and go rest. Don't know where, but that's where we'll go.
Fishies.
So it's Tuesday, this is our last day here. The tooth gets extracted at 1 o'clock and then we're gone. Gonna head down Townsville Way and then out towards Charters Towers. I think that's it, isn't it, for today?
Yeah. Head west.
Yeah, so we're looking forward to actually being able to get out and have a fire again. And
Out the bush. Or
yeah. Although this has been
yeah.
a lovely stop. Everything's here at Ingham. It's a really nice town, and this parkland area is lovely to walk around. Had the tour de cure here yesterday. Apparently they're all going to be out at the jetty at Lucinda this morning with sunrise. So good afternoon. Good afternoon, Arch.
Good afternoon.
I'm talking a bit funny because I've just had that tooth pulled. So anyway, it's a late day. It's 2:27. We left Ingham probably 10-15 minutes ago.
Yeah.
And we're heading towards Townsville, and then we're going to take the Flinders Highway. So Ingham's a lovely place. Everything is there. The wetlands were nice to walk around every day, but we're happy to be on the road. So just got to stop and get ice cream for tea, dentist orders.
Well, again.
And see what happens. We're looking at a place called Woodstock, which is 30 minutes the other side of Townsville or something.
Full of hippies.
Is it? Maybe they have bourbon there. I don't know. Anyway, I'm going to stop talking because this is loud. So we'll see you a bit later on down the road.